Leo, my fire babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. This page has been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is peace. Go with the flow. You've done everything you can now. Spirit is saying, chill. Let me do my part. Stop worrying. You've done your part. You executed. So let me do my part and get ready to dive back in when it's your turn. So today, have an easy day. Have your favorite meal. Have your favorite beverage. Read your favorite book. Go lay out in your favorite place in nature. Enjoy yourself today and stop worrying. I'm unwavering in the face of fear. I come to my senses and embrace challenge. Therefore, I become wiser and stronger, and I can maintain bigger blessings. I'm determined to think with gentleness and calm. I find inner silence, and I become the manifestation of peace. And you continue to grow. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.